Hello guys, back with my slime. Because okay, I better hurry this because I'm not ready. So in the last video you saw that one guess in the world. Nothing. One guess in the world.
Y'all ready to roll?
Yeah.
Well, I tell you what, let's roll.
And I really love slime, so hit the like button if you love slime. I absolutely love it. Hold on. I see something. Okay, whatever. So
Debbie's already on the road.
it's very.
Are you ready to go?
Yeah. Okay, so one guess in the world. So, wait, is that the egg? I didn't remember the egg was here. Okay.
No, let's go.
So I was telling you a hint that's very heavy. So I'm gonna open that case up. Okay, it's off. See? Hold on. Okay, yeah, it's off now. See? Okay. So one guess in the world. Guess what it is? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Guess is slime. This is the same slime I have right now, so it's very, very, very hot because I left it in the car for an hour and a half. So it must be very, very. Oh, did you hear that? Okay, I've got to hit the road. One. So one guess in the world was slime.
I'm gonna clean out the car real fast.
It's a very, 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 very fun to play with. And I'm gonna put the egg, the blue part. I'm just gonna discuss that right there. Okay.